Welcome back to my channel. This is Coin Code. I'm TMO. On this video, I'm going to show you a new Ethereum project that can make you over $100 on their airdrop alone. And in addition, I'm going to show you a community I created where you can get all your unanswered questions answered in a detailed way. So make sure you watch this video to the very end because every minute of this video carries an important information. And in addition, make sure you follow all my steps gradually. So now let's move. On one of my previous videos on how to get free Bitcoin and crypto without any capital, you will notice I talked about airdrops and bounties, which is a way of promoting a particular project or crypto and getting reward without the same crypto for free. And on this video, I'll be showing you how you can make over $100 with this new airdrop on the Ethereum blockchain. So if you want to join me make this kind of easy and free money, consider yourself subscribing to the channel and turning on the bell icon so that you don't miss out anytime I drop an update. So now let's move. The project I will be showing you is a project I believe to be the next Ethereum, which is Unixswap. And you can use the link on the description below to get started. Now, Unix is a hard fork in the Ethereum blockchain, which main aim is to eliminate intensive flow of Uni and to simplify the user threshold, then provide lower rates to improve the DeFi ecosystem. One big deal about this Unix is that the total supply is 500,000 and the airdrop is ending in 6 days. Unixswap is intended to create a high price coin to attract popularities. You understand? Now, when you check the white paper and the roadmap of the project, you will understand more about it. Looking at the roadmap, you will notice that phase 1 and phase 2 have already been completed and phase 3 will start early November. As you can see, Unixswap will be listed on Binance, Coinbase, Huobi, Oddbit and other major exchanges, as you can see on the roadmap. Now, looking at the smart contract, you will see that the total supply is 500,000 and the blockchain is on the Ethereum ERC20 project with a decimal of 18. You can as well join the Telegram community to get more information about the project you are investing in. Now, let me show you how you can claim this airdrop and how you can make over $100 in the next 6 days. But before I proceed, shout out to Jediscom, Jeff French, Mr. CM Jr. and Remy Sobi. Thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate it. Please note that I do a random shout out for all my subscribers. So make sure you have subscribed to get mentioned on my next video and turn on notification to get notified when I drop the next video. So now let's move. If you look closely on how to claim the token, you will see that you can as well partake on their pre-sale, which is 300,000 Unix token for pre-sale and 100,000 Unix token as airdrop with 10,000 Unix token given out as donation. You can also click on the verification button to verify the donation they have made. All you just need to do is to register with the link on the description below, then go straight to your Binance or your Trust wallet to copy your Ethereum wallet address. Now watch me closely. Since they will be listing it on Binance, I recommend you use the Ethereum address from Binance to avoid the sending fee from Trust wallet when they have started distributing it. Now moving to how you can buy the pre-sale. First know the pre-sale rule. As you can see, 1 Ethereum costs 1000 Unix token and the minimum you can buy is 0.1 Ethereum, which is around 100 Unix token, and the maximum you can buy is 10 Ethereum. Before you buy the pre-sale, please make sure you go through the pre-sale rule and the method. You understand? Please note that investing in crypto is very risky and I'm not a financial advisor, and I believe you will never find any financial advisor in the internet. So invest what you can afford to lose. So now let me show you how you can get this $100 in airdrops. Earlier this video, I mentioned promoting a project and getting rewarded, which means the more people you reach and register with your unique referral link, get 1 Unix token and you too get 1 Unix token as well, you understand? And by the time you refer up to 30 people, you will get 30 Unix token, which worth $100 as at the time of airdrop and pre-sale. So make sure to register with the link on the video description below. You can drop your question on the comment section below and also join the community I created on Telegram. Now the Telegram group is for you to get answers to your unanswered questions and get updates even before I upload on my YouTube channel. And also you meet new people and share ideas together, you understand? The group contains vital information that I've already shared before giving out the link. So make sure you join the community, as this will be it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.